Hi guys, today we talk about Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus versus OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus launched on September 2023. The price tag is $999. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro launched on June 2024. The price tag is $500. The body dimensions: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus height 6.44 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness is 8.1 mm, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro height 6.43 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices is same 225 gram, and the build: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the same OnePlus Ace 3 front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display of these devices: the both devices come with LTPO, AMOLED and OLED 1 billion colored screen type. The screen size of OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is 6.78 inches, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus 6.82 inches, and the resolution of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus is 1.5K, and the same OnePlus Ace 3 Pro 1.5K screen resolution. And the PPA density of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus is 440, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is 450, the refresh rate is 120Hz in both devices. The screen to body ratio: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus 88.5% screen to body ratio, and the OnePlus Ace 3 90.9% screen to body ratio. The protection of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus is Huawei Corning Glass 2, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 48 megapixel wide with 1 inch sensor, 40 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom with LED flash panorama HDR. The video recording is 4K 60 fps, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel micro and 8 megapixel ultra wide with dual LED flash HDR panorama, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus is 13 megapixel and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it's record 4K 60 fps video with selfie camera. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 30 fps video record. The platform: the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with octa-core Titan big 2.62 GHz CPU, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Kirin 9000 7nm chipset, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus is Melon 910, and the OnePlus Ace 10 3 Pro come with Adreno 750 GPU. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS 4.0 operating system, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with Android 14 Color OS 14 operating system. The memory of the devices: the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 16 gigs of RAM, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 12 gigs, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM. The internal storage: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus support nano memory card, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro have not support any memory card and nano memory card. The battery backup of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus is 5000 mAh battery, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 6100 mAh battery. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 100-watt fast charging, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus support 88-watt fast charging, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus support 50-watt wireless charging, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro cannot support wireless charging, and the both mobile support 5G networking. The commons and the features: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, Face ID unlocking, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, and UFS 3.1, and SOS system via satellite calls and messages. And the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro support 557, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0. And the result of these devices: the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro got 21 points.